First, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape, open Task Manager, and end any program using close to 100% CPU or memory. Next, check if your PC is overheating. Install Core Temp or any free CPU temp monitor. If it's above 85 degrees Celsius, clean the fans or improve cooling. Then, update your graphics driver. Go to your GPU's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver. Also, disable startup apps. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and turn off anything you don't need at boot. Another quick fix, unplug any USB devices you don't need. Faulty peripherals can cause freezes too. If it still crashes, run sfc/scannow in command prompt as admin to repair corrupted system files. And if nothing works, it's likely a hardware issue. Check my full guide in the description. By the way, if you write shell scripts, one mistake and your system is gone. But ShellDef scans shell scripts for errors and bugs and gives a fixed version of the code. Check it for free from the link below.